Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use any GIF or video as your TikTok profile picture. So let's get started. Launch TikTok. Before we start, you should take any video or GIF for your profile picture. This means you should upload any video on your device. So when you open TikTok, tap on profile at the bottom right corner, then tap on edit profile here. And here you will see two options, change photo and change video. We just tap on change video and select from your photo gallery any of your GIF or video. Then tap on save at the top right corner. Now just wait. Now go back, as you can see here, uploading. Then go back to profile. And here, as you can see, we change now my profile picture to my video on TikTok. If you guys have any questions, let us know at the comment below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.